Did you know there's a hotel room that nobody can stay in for more than one night? Room 407 at the Stanley Hotel in Colorado has a dark secret. Guests who book this room always check out early. They report the same strange things happening. First, the temperature drops so cold you can see your breath. Then children start laughing in the empty hallways at 3 in the morning. But the worst part is what happens when you try to sleep. Guests wake up to find their belongings moved around the room, suitcases unpacked, clothes folded differently, and sometimes they find old-fashioned children's toys that weren't there before. The hotel staff knows about room 407. They've tried everything to fix it. New carpets, new furniture, even blessing the room. Nothing works. One guest recorded video of his stay. In the footage, you can clearly see a rocking chair moving by itself while he sleeps. The hotel still rents this room, but they always warn guests first. Would you be brave enough to spend one night in room 407? Follow for more cursed places.